Welcome into the Builder's Corner. This week, in the next few weeks, we're going to go ahead and address electric bike gear. But this week, we're going to focus on safety gear. Now, electric bikes are new and gaining popularity in the West. And as of yet, there are no safety regulations on gear or on the bikes. With that said, it doesn't mean that we can't use our best judgment and suit up properly when getting ready for a ride. I've vlogged about this before, this topic in particular. Are electric bikes safe in episode 3 of Bike Talk? And I'll say it again, it all depends on the rider. However, further examination of this topic needs to be discussed, especially when I saw this. Ouch! Like, you probably can't hear it, and it's good that you can't, but that child is in excruciating pain, and hearing him cry made me cry. It's best to say that if the child was wearing armor, it would have cushioned the blow. Let's examine the type of gear that most Western cyclists wear when riding. We've all seen this guy, right? They're the average cycling commuters. And these guys are actually really skilled at riding bikes. They can manage speeds up to 30 miles per hour, and that's without a motor. Yet, this is all they wear. If I had to guess, this type of gear is great for sport, but not so much for everyday commuting. Now let's examine what e-riders are wearing when riding. This is what e-riders are wearing. This is perfect for riding in the park, but not on busy city streets. I mean, when you consider all the hazards that you may encounter out on the road, impact into other cars, loss of control and sliding into road rash, it's clear that dress code for e-bike riders needs improvement. Okay, so from head to toe, let's discuss what we should be wearing to properly protect ourselves from the worst possible injury. Helmets. Enclosed helmets. Cranium-only helmets hardly protect from serious wipeout. Cranium helmets are lacking the protection that is necessary for your jaw, your mouth, your nose, and your eyes. An armor jacket. As you can see, these are legit ways to completely cover your torso. From the shoulder, to the collarbone, to the elbows, to the back, to the chest, and then to the abdomen. In my opinion, the armor coat is the best way to go. Sure, you could use shoulder and elbow pads. However, you'd be leaving your back and your chest exposed. Gloves. Most people would avoid hand protection, but when you're crashing, the first thing you're going to do is reach out to try to cushion your fall. And sure, any types of gloves would help prevent loss of skin, but only these type of gloves will help prevent broken bones. Armored pants. These come in denim and cargo style, and you can remove and insert the hip and knee padding as needed. Shoes are also a factor. My first ride, I went out wearing 5 fingers. And as I was falling and nearly sprang my foot, I realized how unprepared I was for riding an electric bike. A recreational sneaker boot. Also, a closed toe or covered toe shoe is also perfect. Helps to protect yourself from potential harm or injury when riding your electric bike. Well, I hope all these tips were helpful for you and have also helped you make better choices in considering the protection that you need for riding in the future. But aside from all that, aside from gear and having the best gear possible, you also have to be vigilant of all your surroundings. Of course, that is the best safety measure out there when riding on the roads. If you'd like to be part of our purpose, mission, and our journey, please consider becoming part of the Electron Rebels Bike Club. You can find links to the club in the description below. Ride easy.